Hey there. Want to talk real quick about my experience with Liberty Aid and the debt savior system. I've been uh, working with the debt savior system in several iterations of it for 3 years, and it's something that I came across after just doing research and really just kind of knowing that something's wrong. Life isn't supposed to be like this. We didn't come to this planet to live like this. It's an intentional system. Debt slavery is an intentional system, and none of us can really work our way out of it on the material level. Almost none of us can work our way out of it on the material level, and absolutely none of us, if you're human, partially human, if you're a christened one, none of us can work within the system as it's set up on a spiritual level. You can't. It's a trap, and if you stay in the trap, you can't get out of the trap. And so, there may be other tools, and I've done research on other tools, and I've spent resources on other tools, which are fine. But I have to say that the latest iteration of Liberty Aid's debt savior system is the cleanest, most straightforward, easy to use, easy to understand, applicable system that I have used, and I am currently using it. So, very briefly, in 2017, I had some success with the system. I had an account that went out, um, was closed, and then I got the debt letter, right? And this was very early. I was very scared. I'm still nervous at times. But I was very nervous, but I used the debt savior system. And then it was, I mean, then it was a little, it was simple, but it was still a little harder to keep track of things. And the user experience has been upgraded, is what I'm trying to say. So previously, I used it, I sent the letter, I signed it, I held the intention that I'm a sovereign and that I'm not a dishonest, cheating person trying to somehow get out of something. I am claiming my sovereignty, and I know that this is illegal. This system is illegal. It's spiritually illegal, and I withdraw my consent from it. And that's really where all of this comes from for me. I withdraw my consent, I withdraw my energy, I withdraw my permission from this system. That itself is half half the game. What the debt saver system and Jack and Liberty Aid and others have made possible is for you to apply that in the material realm, apply your intention in the material realm for results. And so, anyway, I sent the letter. I got a letter back from whatever illegal debt collector was trying to illegally, spiritually, and materially, illegally take from me. The letter was an apology. Mr. Denbow, we're sorry. We will delete this account. Let me back up just a little bit. I got the debt letter. I wrote, sent the letters. And if you have the system or you use the system, you'll see what they say. But essentially, for me, in the summary, they say, I'm sovereign. Don't fuck with me. And I apologize. for the crowd who's watching this. Don't mess with me. I'm sovereign. I know who I am. And others know who they are, and we are together now. We are together. And that is one of the great services that Jack has pioneered. It's not just that he's put the tools together. It's that we're coming online together. And we are creating the new by dismantling the old. I'm so excited about that. So anyway, sent the letter. And this has been 2 years and many life experiences ago. But I got a letter back and they said, we're sorry, but we have sold to another party. So they knew, but they didn't give up immediately. They didn't roll over dead. They sold it. Illegal. And so later, a month later, weeks later, however, I got the same letter again, but from a different, same debt collection letter. We're here to help you organize your accounts. That rhetoric. You're here to illegally take from me and to siphon my consent from fear is what you're here for. To take my prana and enrich yourselves. Anyway, so I resent the debt collection letter. I resent the debt saver system letter. I updated the information, signed it, sent it, certified mail, and then I got the final result back. Mr. Denbow, we're sorry. This account is deleted. It's not cleared down to zero. It's not sold to some. It doesn't exist because none of this exists. None of this is real. What's real is our energy and our intention and our spirit. That account's deleted. But they tried one more thing. I'm divorced now, but at the time, my precious, beautiful, wonderful ex-wife, wife at the time, they sent the same letter that they had sent to me and then apologized and deleted. They just sent the same thing to her and put it in her name, even though she had never used that account. Her name must have been on it, a joint account at the time before it was closed. Turned around, sent the same letter back, same debt system, put her name on it. Quite frankly, she didn't even sign it. She was very nervous, and I don't blame her. This is for the brave. I'm not always brave. I have a lot of anxiety. I still can. I was very nervous myself, but I signed it. She didn't even sign it. We used the debt saver system, updated the information. She didn't even sign it. Sent it back. Got the letter back. Mrs. Denbow, we are so sorry. This account is deleted. And so then I knew results tell you it's real. And I knew it was real. And I knew that they would fight. And the machine is so big. There are so many different companies doing this. So many different banks doing this. So many people involved in the beast. They're just getting paid minimum wage to call you and to send you letters. They don't know. Anyway, it's been 2 years since that time. I've moved. I've divorced. Life has been, not smooth, but I'm back to give this testimonial to say 2 years ago it worked, and I'm back on the horse. I have mailed on 2 debt collectors, and I don't have results yet. Excuse me. I want to be very, very accurate. By the time you see this, if you see this, I will have mailed on at least 2. Right now, I mailed on 1, and I printed out and signed things yesterday, and when I go to the post office, I will mail it on a 2nd. So I want to be very accurate. Truth is all we have. What I meant to say earlier with the beast, they might have 1,000 different banks and 1,000 different credit agencies and all these FICO and credit reporting and people sending you letters. It's all based on one thing: falsehood. They have no power except the power that we give them. And we don't have to give it to them anymore. It takes time. I have been patient and kind to myself when I feel anxious, when I feel like I'm doing the wrong thing, when people that I love, that I'm related to, question me. It's okay. It's okay. Ground yourself and do what you think is right for you in this situation. Set your intention. You're not intending to harm. You're not intending to cheat, to steal, to be dishonest. You're intending to break the back of the beast. You're here for this time. So, we have truth. Stand on the truth, even if you don't get it right the first time. Even if you make some mistakes. Even if you mail things late. I've mailed things later than I needed to. I'm not like on the ball. I have a lot of things going on. But this is one of the deep foundational things that is happening for me. So, I mailed in 2019, since May, this is September 2019, since May I've mailed on 1 account. I have received pushback. I absolutely have. They didn't send me a letter and apologize yet. I'm going to, because they're built on falsehoods. But I've received pushback. I don't know what's going to happen. It makes me nervous. And I received a debt collection letter on August 28th. I printed those things off on September 3rd and signed them. The new system, it's the second time I've used the new system. It's PDFs instead of Word documents. It's so good. It's so clean. Jack, you've done such a good job. And so when I go to the post office, when I get out of the house, run errands, that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't know what's going to happen. So this is a testimonial about something that happened 2 years ago and something that's currently happening that I don't have results yet. I will update. I have not purchased the Bulletproof Trust, which is recommended that you purchase first. I haven't finished that. I have read about trust and worked on building a trust, but again, I think Jack's work and content material that he's produced is so solid and easy to work with. I've worked with some esoteric, not user-friendly. Things don't have to be user-friendly. This is a complicated subject. The falsehood of the financial system is not taught to us. We have to teach ourselves. And we all learn differently. So, it's not easy necessarily. But Jack's tools has made it very easy. The next thing that I'm going to purchase is the Bulletproof Trust. That's what I need. That's next. And so I will update you when that happens. I will update again when the 2 illegal collection attempts on my person have been resolved. Whatever the next step is, that's going to be another update. Thank you for listening. I appreciate the opportunity. Jack and team at Liberty Aid. Jack has been a true friend, even though we've never met. The communication that we've had, it's been so encouraging, so supportive, and also challenging. He will not sugarcoat things for me. That tells me something. It tells me I want to work with him. So as of Wednesday, September 4th, 10:54 a.m. Central Standard Time, I am James Brett Denbow. And this is my update. I look forward to updating again.